Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today we are talking about an app called Whatsave. This is an open source app and it's a very simple material UI based app. The main function of this app is to save WhatsApp statuses, but it also has some tricks up its sleeve. Most importantly, it helps you preview and save files, recover deleted messages, and other stuff as well. So let's go ahead and check this app out, and we will know what it is made up of. Here are some screenshots. I will provide the link in the description so you can see it for yourself. You click on a status and hit save. It also has tools like message a number without having to save the number, which comes pretty handy, and also keeps a list of deleted messages as well. So how we are going to use it? Simply go to F-Droid and download it. I will provide the link in the description so you can download it for yourself. Also, you can go to GitHub and download the direct APK file as well. Okay, let's get started. Now all we need to do is install and open up this app, and this interface looks like this. First of all, we need to grant permission for storage access, and the second, we need to give it a special app permissions for WhatsApp. After you're given the permissions, you can continue. And here you can see we have all the status of WhatsApp that I have watched. You can click the arrow icon on above and watch more status updates like I'm doing right now, but for privacy reasons I'm gonna blur it. Okay, after you have watched some statuses, you can refresh it and those status updates appear here. Now you can automatically tap on the status that you want to download for yourself and hit save. All your save status will be right here and in the gallery section. This is how you save those status, like I did right now. You can save video status as well, like this, and all your saved status will be in the saved section, categorized by image and video. Okay, so what else do we need to do? Let's see if those appear in the gallery or not. I'm sorry, that's not the gallery app. Here you can see those status are saved in my gallery, easy, and now I can share it on my own WhatsApp status updates. Okay, this is pretty useful. I'm gonna delete those status because I don't need them, or you can delete it after you have used it. So there are some tools. The first tool is the message number. All you need to do is type the country code and the number of a person that you want to send a text to, and type in your message and hit send. Okay, I just entered a really wrong number. Make sure you are entering a right number. Let's see what we are going to do now. I'm gonna type in my own number and see if that works or not. Okay, let me find my country code, which is Pakistan +92 right here. The rest of the number is hidden for some privacy reasons. Now, once you have entered the number, hit send and it will open WhatsApp and chat with the message written itself. All you have to do is hit the send and the message will be sent. And you can also delete those messages like any other WhatsApp message. Next feature is the message view feature. You tap on the message view, accept and continue, like this. Give it some permissions for notification access. You don't have to worry about it, and turn this use message view option on and all those messages will be displayed right here. Well, if you do not have this option turned on, no message will be saved, so make sure you turn it on and rest of the message will keep on coming and you will have a list of all those messages notifications. So let's check some settings. Here is some night mode. You can turn on just black if you are using an OLED display. You can exclude all status, exclude saved status. Yep, and that is really nice. Quick deletion, review permissions. Yep, if you get anything wrong, you can review permissions and give permissions again, and everything will be working just fine. Okay, now we can have small WhatsApp icon, and you can update this app over search or over Wi-Fi only. Depends on whatever your needs are. So there's nothing else to talk about. Let me show you how you can get this app from GitHub. All you have to do is to go to this GitHub page. I will provide the link in the description of this page as well. As if you are using F-Droid, which I made a previous video, I will provide the link in the description about F-Droid as well. You can keep this app updated from F-Droid. You do not have to go to these pages again and again. Go to GitHub, hit releases. I will provide this release page link. Go in assets, you can simply download this APK file and install the APK on your Android device, and you will good to go. This app is downloaded, hit install, and there's nothing else we can talk about. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. Go get crazy with WhatsApp. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.